The moment you realize your business is just a series of repetitive clicks is the moment you start looking for a way out. You're tired of moving names from a spreadsheet to an email list manually. You want a digital robot to handle the heavy lifting, but choosing the right tool feels like picking a favorite child. On one side, you have the veteran player that everyone knows for its colorful, bubbly interface. On the other side, you have the challenger that feels like a high-tech control center for engineers. If you want things to look intuitive, you go with the veteran. It feels like drawing on a digital whiteboard. You drag a circle here. You connect a line there. It is a visual mind map of your work. This is the path for the person who hates code. It is smooth. It is incredibly fast to set up. But there is a catch that eventually hits your wallet. This tool tracks every single heartbeat of your workflow. They use a credit system. Every tiny action is an operation. If you build a massive machine with 50 steps, you are paying for every single one of those 50 steps every time the automation runs. That bill grows as your business grows. Now, look at the competitor. This one is built for the builders. It uses a canvas with nodes. It still looks visual, but it feels more like a professional developer environment. The biggest difference is the pricing model. Instead of counting every tiny step, they count the whole journey. One run is one execution. It does not matter if that run does 2 things or 200 things. For a complex business with deep workflows, that is a massive financial win. But here's the real kicker for the tech-savvy crowd. This tool is open source. You can actually host it on your own server for free. You do not have to pay a monthly bill. You just have to handle the setup yourself. You own the infrastructure. You keep your data private. This leads us to the biggest trend in the world right now. Everyone is talking about artificial intelligence. The easy visual tool recently added agents to help with basic tasks. It can sort your data or summarize your notes. It is perfect for a quick fix. But if you want to go deep into the world of smart automation, the open source platform is the clear winner. It has dozens of focused connections for various intelligence models. You can even hook it up to local models running on your own hardware. That level of control is rare. You have to ask yourself what your time is worth versus what your budget can handle. If you are a small team just trying to save an hour a day, the visual builder is your best friend. It is friendly. It is inviting. But if you are scaling a technical empire, you need the control of the open source giant. You need to be able to peek under the hood. You need to know that a complex workflow will not bankrupt you by the end of the month. One tool feels like a polished product designed for the masses. The other feels like a powerful engine designed for the architects of the web. Both are solid choices. The right one depends on whether you want a quick bridge or a massive highway system. The bridge gets you across the gap today. The highway carries your entire fleet for years to come. Think about your goals. Look at your technical skills. If you can handle a learning curve, the rewards of the self-hosted path are incredible. If you just want it to work right now without thinking about servers, the subscription model is there to hold your hand. Neither choice is wrong. They just serve different styles of work. One serves the speed of the marketer. The other serves the precision of the developer. You just have to decide which one you want to be.